Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to continue with our luxury condo tour. We are at One Ala Moana. We are on the Mauka side of Ala Moana Mall. So you got Park Lane on the front of the mall. Then now we are on the back side of the mall. We are at One Ala Moana. I got a new listing here with Elke Burkhardt. It's a 3-bed, 3-bath unit, unit 1000. And this building is incredible. It was built in 2014. There's 206 units over 23 stories. Everything in here is top of the line, from the appliances to the pool to the amenities. Everything is elite. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Unit 1000 at One Ala Moana. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath unit, roughly 1,800 square feet, listed by myself and Elke Burkhardt with Real Broker. So we cruise in here. Super spacious unit. You guys have seen a lot of condos and a lot of different buildings. There's rarely where you're gonna find 1,800 square feet in a 3-bedroom condo. Naha has that, YA has that, but other than that, you're not seeing it. So white Blizzard quartz countertops, custom wood cabinets, real wood floors. You got a nice washer and dryer right off the kitchen. We have Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Miele appliances. So you got a Sub-Zero wine fridge. Everyone loves that. You got the hidden refrigerator right here. We don't need to look inside because sellers do live here. Wolf appliances, and you have a Miele dishwasher. As stated earlier, you got a beautiful washer and dryer room right here. Huge for, for condo living. Massive living room with the wood floors that kind of come out. So this unit has 9-foot ceilings. One thing that should be recognized in this building, there's only 14 units per floor, but there's 2 wings, so there's only 7 units on your wing. There's 2 separate elevators. There's the Diamond Head wing, there's the Eva wing, and then there's 4 2-bedrooms, 2 1-bedrooms, and then 1 3-bedroom per wing. And so we're obviously in a 3-bedroom unit. Epic views right here. That would be Magic Island. So you look right across Ala Moana Mall. So you could get to the mall without getting your hair wet, and you could basically cruise over. You got all the shopping in the world and whatever you want. So yeah, and let's go check out the bedrooms. So you got more storage right here in the entry foyer, and we'll cruise through here. We'll save the master bedroom for last. We'll go to, this is an ensuite secondary bedroom, and obviously this is a kid's room. This is a really cool bed. I think I tried to buy this exact bed online and I got vetoed, but now my daughter wants one with a slide. Looks really cool. And the really cool thing about this building, and this unit in particular, so you got Mauka to Makai. So when we were in the living room, you had the ocean views. Makai means to the sea, Mauka to the mountains. So you have ensuite with a walk-in shower, which I really like. You see a lot of tubs. I see most people actually prefer walk-ins to tubs, which I think I would like to see developers take more notes of. So huge his and her sinks in the guest, walk-in shower, pretty good sized closet in here. So this would be the guest bathroom that's not part of a bedroom, that's not en suite. This has another walk-in shower. Here, another spacious guest bedroom. Everything about this was really tastefully done. This was a collab, the development. McNaughton Group, Kobayashi Group, and Howard Hughes is involved with this building. Thus, everything's so high-end. So here we are in the master bedroom. Once again, 9-foot ceilings, feels super spacious. As you can see, view's incredible. And this master bathroom is awesome. So you cruise in here, there's the tub. A lot of for people that do need a tub, if you got kids or if you want to just be able to take a bath and chill out, this has got it covered. This one actually has like the curved little chill spot so you can sit back and really lounge. There's a walk-in closet as part of the bathroom, that's just kind of synonymous with high-end. this awesome 3-bedroom unit, we are the lowest priced 3-bedroom unit in the building. There's currently 4, 2 of them are at 2.75 mil. There's one on a lower floor that's at 255, and we're at $2.5 million, 1,800 square feet, just over $3,000 a month for the HOA fees. HOA fees include everything but electric. It has central air, and yeah, this place is ready to go. Give us a call and we'll get you in here. Okay, so here we are at the pool. Pool is incredible. So you have not only just a beautiful pool that you can swim laps in, you have a kids pool, and then there's a sauna on the other side. So I don't know, this building really, there's nothing that this building doesn't cover in terms of what you need. Kids pool, sauna, like lap pool opportunities, incredible gym, which we'll hit, and then yeah, and then right in the middle of the city, right next to the mall. So in case you're in the unit wondering like what it's like down at the pool, the one with the window open right there with the sliding glass open, that's the unit right there that's for sale. That's unit 1000. We know how in a lot of the videos I cover kids playgrounds because I got little kids. So this one's really nice. I mean, I have not yet to see a building that has swings. So this one has swings. This is the first building I've seen that has swings. Really nice slide, nice little hangout zone. I like how it's private from everything else out on the back side. So this path circulates the building. So you can basically go from the pool, you can come around, there's the kids playground on the back side so that if people are like hanging out at the pool, separate world, but you can have private cabanas that you can reserve with Wolf Grill. So just like in the unit, top of the line, everything. So the amenities, they just keep going. So now there's a golf practice facility. So I'm not 100% sure what the rules are on like chipping and stuff, but I mean, this is great. Come down, work on your short game, and there's a little dog walk over there. Something really worth pointing out as well is the beautiful landscaping on the rec deck of this building. I mean, you have palms here, and then you come here, you have monstera, you've got draconia over here. I mean, there's tons of beautiful plants. It just kind of sets the whole like, you know, island living vibe while still being, you can tell you're in a luxury spot. Feels like you're at like a Ritz-Carlton or Four Seasons, 100%. Okay, so as you can see, this is a really nice gym. It's just like the rest of the building. Everything's top of the line. I mean, there's some extremely cutting edge stuff here with this techno gym step squat. They have an actual squat rack here with a legit barbell and stuff, which you do not see. That is a rarity. Anaha has that. And I think Anaha is the only one that has a legit squat rack like this. So that is good company to be with. Then they got a yoga room over here. Okay, so one thing that's really important to point out about this unit, unit 1000, is this comes with a storage room. So not just storage locker, this is an AC controlled storage room. It's a very large room in there. Not like massive, but you can put all the stuff you don't want to look at, you know, Christmas trees, golf clubs, surfboards. All right, guys, hope y'all enjoyed One Ala Moana. So we are now, that is the private elevator to the mall, to the Target parking lot. So right here, now we're at Target. So kind of like over at Parkland, you came down and you were, you know, you're not like, it's not like you're walking out into Neiman Marcus or Saks Fifth Avenue, but dry hair, completely covered. We can cruise right into Target. We all know everyone loves Target. Guys, so here we are in the mall. We just went through Target. That's the building right there, One Ala Moana, just to show you. It's not raining out, but dry hair, straight into the mall, which wouldn't matter because this is an outdoor mall. It's funny that I highlighted that, but you got Buffalo Wild Wings basically right through Target. As I've highlighted in a prior video, this is the largest outdoor mall in the world. Okay guys, so as we stated, we came to Jade Dynasty for our food review spot here. This is probably my favorite dim sum spot on the island. There's a couple. I like Tim Ho Wan and Waikiki at the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center. I like Jade Dynasty. Yeah, those are my top 2 dim sum for sure. Had to bring in my man Pedro Rubio, who y'all remember, Mr. 10s across the board. So we're gonna go see if this place can get some 10s. We're gonna go make it happen. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are here at my favorite dim sum spot in Honolulu. We are at Jade Dynasty, right at Ala Moana Mall, right by One Ala Moana, where there's the best 3-bedroom listing in the building available right now, Unit 1000. Got my man Pedro Rubio. You guys remember him from prior videos. I'm not sure, thank you so much. Oh, we got 2 of them. Oh, cool. I'm not sure if we got enough food for 2 people. So this is honey barbecue pork. Man. Pretty phenomenal. Char siu bun cheers? Char siu bun cheers? Yep. It's pretty solid. See, I don't know what this is, but we're gonna eat it. It's some kind of dumpling. Eat some killer dim sum. Jade Dynasty is as good as Honolulu has that I know of. So check it out. And Pedro, give us your reviews.
You know, all this good food, it's gonna get a 10.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed Jade Dynasty, checking it out. I had fun with Pedro, smashing some dim sum. Hope you enjoyed learning about One Ala Moana. Again, the highlight today was Unit 1000 at One Ala Moana, 3-bed, 3-bath unit, 1,800 square feet, listed for $2.5 million by myself and Elkie Burkhart. If you have any questions about Oahu real estate, hit me up. Please subscribe to the channel, and everyone have a great day. Aloha.